Hi, I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you around GoDaddy's digital marketing suite. Let's rock it out. This is the digital marketing suite dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access your marketing tools using the menu across the top of the screen, or by simply scrolling down the page. Let's scroll down first. First up is My Photos, which gives you access to your image library. Having tons of great images is critical for a killer digital marketing presence. On the My Photo library screen, you upload images by dragging and dropping into this area, or click Upload and Browse to upload from any device. It also keeps everything super organized with easy browsing by collection or social platforms you use. If you're using tags on your photos, you can also search the search field to locate them in your library. Next up, keep on track for digital marketing success using an action plan. To see the digital marketing goals you set, or to change them, click Edit Goals. Each plan is tied to a goal you selected, and all the necessary tasks to complete the plan display on the tabs below it. These tasks not only help you get set up and connected in Digital Marketing Suite, they provide ongoing tools and suggestions to ensure your marketing plans thrive. To start a task, click the tab and follow the prompts. Not ready to start that task? Click Not Now or Skip, and you'll advance to the next task in that plan. If you skip through all of the tasks in the plan, you'll see a new plan. Your Insight Score evaluates how your digital marketing efforts stack up against businesses like yours. The Other Ways to Grow section offers a variety of other actions you can take that will expand your digital marketing presence. These cards will change over time and adapt with you as you take different marketing actions. Now, let's take a look at the menus. The Social and Listings menu lets you select which social platforms information you want to view. If you haven't set up or connected a platform to Digital Marketing Suite, clicking the platform name will take you to that page and let you do it. Ready to send an email marketing campaign? Expand the menu and choose Campaigns. On the email marketing landing page, you can start by importing any existing subscriber list you have, or get right to it and compose an email campaign. Looking to get more subscribers? We've got tips to help you with that too. The Settings menu is where you'll head to edit business details like your address or phone number. Your email marketing options such as sending information, feature add-ons, and any third-party integrations are also accessed from the Settings menu as well. And last but not least, amp up customer engagement by quickly and easily creating a sign-up form you can share with anyone via link, or if you have one, embed it on a web page. Finally, if you have a website, select the SEO menu to access our Search Engine Optimization Wizard. This wizard identifies terms customers are searching for when looking for businesses like yours, and then helps you add them to the right places on your site. Enter your website domain and the wizard will take you through a series of steps to update Google search results and add keywords and phrases to boost your position on results pages. Wow, now that's a complete suite. I hope you enjoyed this tour of GoDaddy's digital marketing suite. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.